Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to keep turning down the volume on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so turn off media volume limit. Go to app library, click on settings app, click on sound and vibration, and turn off media volume. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, click on system and click on reset phone, reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, the last solution is reset all settings. Go to app library, click on settings app, now in setting, click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keeps turning down the volume on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.